In this video, I will show you how to shut down your laptop using just the keyboard. To begin, press the Windows key plus X simultaneously. This action opens what is known as the quick link menu. It's similar to right-clicking on the Start button but much faster. You'll now see several options listed here. To proceed with shutting down your laptop, locate and press the U key on your keyboard. After pressing U, you need to press it once more. This second press will initiate the shutdown process immediately. Let's recap those steps quickly. Press Windows key plus X, press U again, and just like that, your laptop begins its shutdown sequence. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.